Hello everybody, this is Noel Padgavkar here from TechiePaddy. Today's video is all about how to convert any ordinary USB into a bootable USB. This can be achieved in two ways. Number one, using any software. With number two, without using any software. I'll be discussing both the ways. Before we begin, what is a bootable USB? Bootable USB is nothing but a USB stick which is used to boot up or start up a computer's operating system. It consists of all the necessary files and folders which are required during the boot up of an operating system. Previously, we used to boot up using DVD drives or floppy disks. Well, the generation has changed and now we use USB sticks to boot up the operating system. This is an easy and a quick process than using DVDs and floppies. So let's go. Without wasting any further time, I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, to create a bootable disk using command prompt, we will be using an empty pen drive of 4 GB, this removable disk F. Second is, you have to open command prompt, where I am going to type the command diskpart, DISKPART, and say enter. Microsoft diskpart version 10.10240. Now you can see the diskpart option comes here. Now you have to type list disk, LISTDISK. You can see disk 0 online is the internal hard disk of my laptop, whereas disk 2 online is my pen drive, which I am going to convert into a bootable disk. Now the third step is, now we have to say select disk 2. Select disk 2. Disk 2 is now the selected disk. Now we have to clean it. Now we will say clean. Disk part succeeded in cleaning. Now the next is, we have to create a partition. So now I am going to type create partition primary. Disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. The next is, I am going to select partition 1. So select partition 1. Partition 1 is now the selected partition. Now we are going to keep that as an active partition. Now we are going to type active and say enter. Disk part mark the current partition as active. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to format it in NTFS format. So now what I am going to type is FORMAT FS equal to NTFS quick, and say enter. 0% complete. Now it will show that it is completed within a few seconds, and it's done. Now we will say exit. Now what I am going to do is, now I am going to go back to this PC. I am going to open desktop, where I have saved my ISO files. I will select all, copy, open my removable disk and paste it here. And now it has started copying. It will take around 15 minutes. 16 minutes. And now I'm going to fast forward this step, and I'm going to directly come to this last step in a few minutes. Well, now you can see it has completed the transfer, and now your pen drive is a bootable disk and you can use it to boot up your operating system. So this is how it is done without using any software, but just a simple command prompt. Well, the second part is how to create a bootable pen drive using a software named Rufus. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we will download Rufus. I have already downloaded it. The link to download Rufus is in the link description below, so you can check it out. I have saved it on my desktop. So now I will go and open Rufus. Yes. Now I will go to my computer's back and I'm going to open Rufus here. Now you can see it has already shown me 4 GB pen drive, partition, file system, what type it is, and etc. etc. Now it has given an option, create a bootable disk using. Now we have variety options. I am going to say ISO image. I am going to select this, click to select an image, and I am going to open my ISO image. Here it is, Windows 10, my ISO image. Open. Now it is ready and I say start. This will take about some time, so I will fast forward this, and in the end I will tell you the result. So stay tuned. Well, that now you have seen that the partition is done, the boot up is done, and everything is done, and now we have a bootable pen drive and we have created using this software called Rufus. Let me just refresh this. Now you can see esd.iso, all the files are here. So this is how you have to create a bootable pen drive using a software. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you will be able to boot up your USB without or maybe using a software. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you do not like this video, hit the dislike button. And if you have any feedback, please comment in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Techie Paddy. Till then, see you next time in my next video.